Hey, everybody. So today I have a white noise machine. I got it because I hope it helps me sleep. And then not only is it a white noise machine, it is also a wireless speaker. So you can hook it up through Bluetooth to your phone or other mobile devices that take Bluetooth. So let's see what we have. So it comes with a charger. It's a C USB. And it also comes with a handy dandy little notebook. It tells you, so it shows you the power indicator, the volume up and down, play pause button, previous sound button, timer button, mode indicator, type C input jack, mode power switch, volume up and down button, the pair button, the next sound button, timer indicator, and the headphone jack. I like that the buttons were protected by this little plastic piece, and then it also came in this. Let's see what we got. Oh, looks really nice. It's like soft material, like a speaker. And then here's the bottom with the little feet. And then you have the buttons right here. Let's see if it has enough batteries to come on. Let me see. I think it already has some sounds programmed. Oh, listen how nice that sounds. That sounds really nice. Feels like I need to go to the ocean. This is really nice time to go to sleep too. And then it also has the Bluetooth button. Oh, the Bluetooth button is right here. And it's really nice. So, if you need a white noise machine, like I said, it is also Bluetooth, you need to go get you one.